imagine being able to be magically whisked away to Delaware. Hi, I'm in Delaware.
We're magically whisked away to Delaware! Hi, I'm in Delaware. After a drive of 2 hours, we arrived in Brandywine Park in Delaware.
To be precisely in Wilmington. And it's supposed to be the nicest city in Delaware. And in this park you also have the zoo. It's $7 a person, but you can park for free. And that's what we did. We just parked for free, stroll around in the park, and then maybe check out downtown. It depends on what time it is. But for now, just the park. I bet the view is awesome when you live over there.
The Venice of Delaware. We left Delaware and now we're in Maryland. And last year we drove to Maryland and we were complaining about the high fees of the toll booths. So our Facebook friend Garry saw it and he said, well, listen guys, I live in Maryland, so next time you're there, hit me up. So now we're in Maryland, and yesterday we sent Garry a message. Hey dude, where you at? We're in Maryland. And he was like, yeah, sure, great, come by. You can be in my
pool house.
Pool house. I have a bathroom and a bedroom, so you can stay there free of charge. And I will charge my golf cart, so you can drive around the neighborhood. So now it's time to visit Garry. So let's go. And this is the pool house where we were invited and can stay for a night or two or a couple of nights. We spoke to Garry and he's very friendly. So we're very happy that we've met him and that we can stay here.
And there are servals and chickens. And the house and the pool house is awesome. So we're very happy to be here.
And he has nice cars. And a Bitcoin mining rig. Last night we went to Sunset Cove together with Garry to enjoy the tiki bar and the beautiful sunset.
Well, I learned 2 funny facts yesterday, and the first one is about the chickens. Garry told us he had Easter chickens who lay colored eggs. And I was like, yeah, you're kidding me, don't pull my leg. But I looked it up on the internet, and they do exist. They will lay green, blue, olive or aqua or even purple eggs. I thought that was an awesome thing to know. And the second funny thing I know now is that your American tax laws are crazy. Sorry, I have to say. A couple of months ago we were in Vermont and we noticed that you have to pay a view tax. So if you live on a nice mountain and you have a great view, you have to pay tax for it. But here it's even funnier because they have rain tax. Who made up such a thing? They measure your property, and when your property is big enough, you have to pay rain tax for the rain that's falling on your property. You guys are insane.
Brake because it's real high, you know what I mean? Just gotta get used to that. Back in the car, you're and you go over. So you turn the key on, and then down here should be a on switch. Now see, I have full battery.
Yeah.
So, and then here's the gear shifter. So like right here.
Yesterday we went to Sam's Club to get some new batteries for this golf cart. How many?
Six batteries.
For one
times
golf
12
cart.
volts is 72 or 75 volts for this golf cart.
And they put it in, all the batteries this morning, and now we have to test drive.
Yeah.
That's a pity.
It's
we
a
didn't
dirty
like
job.
it, but
Yeah,
well.
someone's gotta do it. So yeah.
It's so much fun!
It is!